Today, the topic is developing yourself, investing in yourself. If you do not invest in yourself, it's really, really difficult to succeed long term. And it doesn't matter what area it is. Remember, if you've seen that video that I made of the wheel of life, there's all these different areas in our life, our career, our family, our finances, our emotions, our relationships. There's all kinds of different areas in our life. And we need to develop ourselves. We need to invest in ourselves. And when it comes to finances, I always recommend when we're putting together our budgets, we need to dedicate between 3 and 5%, depending on what your income is. Put 3 to 5% of your money every month into a fund, an anticipation fund for investing in yourself. That could be buying books, that could be audio programs, that could be an online course, it could be coaching, it could be a seminar, it could be a webinar, it could be some kind of getaway retreat where you're going to learn and you're going to grow, develop your mind, develop your soul, develop your spirit, everything that is to gain knowledge, gain wisdom, and to move forward in life. Think about it. If we just are stagnant, water, when stagnant, grows scum on the top of it. It's just stale and icky. We're the same way. We're the same way. If we do not grow, we do not develop ourselves, we don't invest in ourselves, we will grow that scum on the top of the surface of our lives, and it's just not going to be fun. You've smelt it, you've seen it, it's just yucky. So develop yourself, train yourself, make sure that you are investing in yourself between 3 and 5% of your budget every month. And it doesn't have to be that you spend that every single month. You could save up. So let's say you wanted to go to the seminar that is in the next town and it costs $250 for that ticket. And you determine that between 3 and 5% is $75. Well, you're going to have to save for a few months in order to buy that ticket for that conference or for that webinar or whatever it might be. So put some money away every single month and then make some goals. Make a list of what you want to do to grow yourself. Start off, if you have a lower income, start off just with some books, maybe some audio downloads, maybe a couple of worksheets that you can do. Then go on from there and then do some online courses, do ebooks, and then do some audio programs, and then do some courses. And as your income grows, you're going to spend a little bit more. So if you're making $50,000 versus $150,000, your amount is going to be a lot different inside of that budget. So just put between 3 and 5% in there. Invest in yourself, grow yourself spiritually, mentally, financially, physically, emotionally. Invest in yourself. Put that money away so that you can increase your life. And I promise you, it'll be so much better when you're investing in yourself, because not only are you making yourself better, you're making everybody around you better by becoming better. And you're going to get smarter, and you're going to get more in tune with your emotions and the emotions of other people, and you're going to be more attractive, and you're just going to have a better life. So invest in yourself, put it away every single month, make your goals, go do it, take action, and that's your tip of the day.